Hey, are you ready to update your civil engineering skills? Let's explore why the Revit is a game changer in the world of BIM. Hi, myself Shivasharan. I'm a BIM specialist with a 10 plus years of experience. Hey, do you know why the Revit application is more popular compared to other BIM applications? Yeah, just because of its key features. Let's see now the key features of the Revit. Here we are going to see the first key feature of the Revit is accurate and effective 3D modeling. For that, I need to enter the Revit application. This is what our Revit interface. Okay, and I'm into that first tab, Revit Architecture. In that we have a lot of inbuilt families. First one is what I'm going to use is Revit wall. With respect of architectural wall, I'm going to create a simple plan here. You may use different kinds of the tools. Okay, right now I'm going to use this rectangle. Just draw a rectangle. The wall what I created is of with respect of 140 mm, but I want to change this to be as of 300 in thickness. Is got updated, and I want to maintain the dimension is as 5 meter in width, 10 meter in length. Okay, in this I need to create a one partition wall using a wall again, wall architecture again. I want to use a 150 wall and place anywhere here. First create again, then put the dimension here as this is of 3 meter in width for this room. Okay, there are two rooms got created. Okay, now this is what just a wall I created without any placing any of the doors and windows. I want to make a one sectional view. See, there's no any sectional views right now. So for that, I need to use one sectional tag. Okay, and this sort of sectional tab and just going to use. Okay, this sort of arrow mark. That means we are going to see this selected area in a sectional views. Okay, just go for this and go to the view. Okay, see the walls are got selected and created from the level 1 and more than the level 2 the walls height will be got created. Yes, I want to create those walls with respect of only from level 1 to level 2. It's quite simple. Um, uh, Created that properly. Now I select this walls. Okay, all the walls of exterior at a time. Okay, here I want to stop these walls from unconnected to level 2. Okay, and even this wall is to be selected at level 2. Yes, it's got created. Just again go back to this view, sectional views, and go to the view. See, whereas I got selected the walls and controlled them to from level 1 to level 2, and that will be get affected with respect of in sectional view also. Okay, that's the same thing I can able to see in 3D view also. This is what a view. See, yet we not placed any kind of the doors and windows, right? Okay, now come back to the level 1 and not place the door and window. It's quite simple. Again, choose a Revit family as a door. You may place anywhere as you need. Just it's up to you. Create the two doors. One is for main door, and this is what an internal door. Right, now go for the window family. Select the type. One at this part, another one here. Then another fixed kind of the window that I want to place for another row. Yes, okay. Of course, right, this is sectional views that will be updated. That means the windows will be get updated in a sectional views. See, yeah, there are two bigger windows and one will be fixed window. Yes, now I need to make this height of the windows to be get reduced. It's quite simple. You need to go for this edit type, and height I need to maintain as just 0.5 meter. Yeah, but the thing, the window got shifted that down just because of this sunlight. Okay, I know I need to maintain this as for 1.5 meter, so this will be get shifted towards the 1.5 meter from the floor, like this. Let's see again in 3D view how effective it is. See, we got placed the two doors. Okay, one for exterior and one will be for interior, and three windows, right? Yeah, this is what we said effective 3D modeling of the Revit. Here we are going to see the second Revit feature, that is what a parametric model. For this I'm going to place one of the Revit family, that is what a door, and let's see how parametric it is and how effectively we can customize that. Create just of 3 doors here, right? I created the same kind of the door here, and all of same in width and with respect of type. Select all instance visible in view here, and you may notice that we got selected of 3 doors of same single flush, and the width will be of 915 mm, height will be of 2134 mm. When you check in type selector, we not have any kind of the name as d1, d2, d3. Now I need to just customize them, and I want to create them newly. For that I need to just select one of this wall, door, and edit type. Yeah, I need to make this to be a duplicate, right, as d1. Okay, I'm saying this is a parametric model. Each and every family here is got a parametric model, and we have this kind of the door with respect of the thickness, height, trim projection exterior, trim projection interior, trim width and width. Here, as I said, this what a d1, I need to mention this to be of, and my requirement is of 1200 is a width, right, and it's got updated here. You may just notice here it's got update. Okay, now select the second one, edit type, again duplicate as d2, change this to be as 900 mm in width, yeah. In my list now we got reflect that doors as d1 and d2. See the d1, and the now what we created is d2. Yet there is a not created, it is of d3. So select that door, again get back to this edit type, duplicate as d3, and width I need to make this to be just of 750. Okay, it's done. Internally that got affected with respect of the dimensions, but just I want to prove whether it is done properly with respect of the dimension or not. For that I need to get back to this annotation, go for this align tool, check the dimension for this walls. Yes, the d1 will be of 1.2 at what we created, and the d2 of 900 mm. Yes, that's true. And the last one is 750 mm. Yes, we're getting the same dimension. This will all happen just because of this parametric modeling part. That's why we customize them very easily and effectively. So this is a very best feature of this Revit. Not only with respect of the doors, we have all the elements here or the families. Those are the parametric itself.